Hello, welcome to the first video of the UI UX series. In this video, we are gonna walk through all the different course sections. I'm gonna give you an overview of each section, what you can expect. And so, I'm excited here to get started. Let's go and jump in here. The first section is going to be the course introduction. This is where we gonna go over UX, UI. What exactly is the difference between the both? And then we are gonna go over the current designer marketplace. Also, we will be discussing the salary, the opportunities, the positions opened, growth potential in these fields. Then we're gonna go over different types of UX roles in different organizations, from small organizations to medium organizations, all the way up to large enterprise organizations as well. And then we're gonna jump to section 2 of the course, where we are going to go into the foundation of graphic design. This is where we start to do some of the Adobe XD lessons as well, where we are going to be doing a little bit of hands-on over the shoulder. And then we're gonna be discussing the psychology of color. We're going to go into different color schemes, color wheels, and really gonna give you an overview of the foundations. And then we have the section 3, and this is where we are gonna go into UX design. This is where we do some additional Adobe XD lessons as well. We'll be discussing what a customer journey is, what a sales funnel is, different types of sales funnel, and the different stages of sales funnel, and a whole lot more. And then section 4, this is where we are going to be going over UI design, and we're gonna cover the UI design process. We are going to be going over different landing pages, different UI components, and several Adobe lessons as well. You will be creating different types of designs, headers with micro interactions, and a bunch of other UI interface type of stuff. So very much excited for you to get started on that as well. And then we have the section 5, which is going to be the optimization. This is where we are going to be going over the fold rule. We'll be discussing how to use analytics for optimization, how to use heat maps, and then we have a couple of Adobe lessons as well. And finally, we have section 6, and this is where you're going to be starting your career in the UX UI design space. And we'll be discussing about freelancing, client consulting, personal branding, how to set up a website, and much more. We'll be also discussing some of the do's and don'ts of networking, how to network properly so that you are able to put yourself in a position to get new positions, new jobs, and maybe new clients. And then we'll walk through some of the top freelance websites, and also we'll discuss some of the different places to find the UI jobs. So I'm excited for you to get started in this course, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.